Welcome. Today I am with Huawei Nova 8i from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with original silicone case in the box. So let's quickly check it out. As you can see here, we can find the silicone case. Let's try it on the phone. Okay, there it is. It's very easy to put it on. It also covers our lenses set, so it's a little bit above the camera set. At the bottom we get the cutout for speaker, USB-C port. The buttons are covered, but of course not this one with the sensor that you can find here. Jack 3.5mm and also the speaker for calls and the microphone. Let me just take a look on the front screen. It's also a little bit above the screen, so if you put it on the flat surface, you cannot scratch the screen because it's covered with this 4 edges bumper from the case. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.